Hi, we hope you're having a great day. Did you know that 11 out of 12 CEOs, presidents, and owners that we recently spoke to cited labor as the number one issue they're dealing with today? This includes a lack of available labor, skilled labor, and even willing labor. We understand this issue and we would like to provide you with a few solutions for you to consider. First, make sure that you're producing at the right capacity to match your labor and limiting the amount of overtime that these teams are working. This will allow the team to have a better work life balance and keep the team in place for a longer period of time. If your backlog is high today, this may not be the best solution for you. However, by doing this, you will be able to provide your customers with a better understanding of when they can receive their orders. Another solution would be to continue to cross-train your staff to create a more flexible workforce. This flexible workforce will provide you with the ability to move labor daily and maximize your output. Adding temporary or contract labor to reduce the amount of backlog or keep up with seasonal order spikes is another solution. However, it's generally more expensive, but it can provide you with more overall satisfaction and increase your short-term cash flows as well. We also are hearing that many people are looking for alternative locations where labor is available. This may be a location where other similar facilities, manufacturers, or distributors shut down, and there's available workforce as well as available space. This can also include nearshoring products that were produced overseas or currently being produced overseas. We're seeing a lot of companies move to Mexico and where there is available labor in certain areas. And if you have the right partner in Mexico, this can really help. We also encourage you to utilize community programs. These may be state or local programs or even federal programs that help educate about the benefits of manufacturing and distribution roles. The new term for a manufacturing role is a creator. And simply by changing the role or job description, you may entice more people to want to work in the manufacturing role. And also using community programs to boost the amount of training that's available can lower your training costs and benefit you as well. And we encourage you to sponsor community programs that will help others in the community, and it will let the community get to know you and what you do and why your work is important and how you add value. We're still dealing with other items of people retiring early or people simply leaving the workforce. And these voluntary people just walking out on the job today, they're taking with them the book of knowledge. And we say a book of knowledge is all of the skills and those small things that they know that no one else knows. And it's hurting the ability to continue to produce at a high level. And so having a way to capture their skills and knowledge, this overall book of knowledge, is critical to your continued success. And we're still dealing with hybrid work and the fact that most roles in manufacturing and distribution simply cannot be done as a hybrid role. However, by allowing flexible work schedules, this may help offset some of the benefits that people have from hybrid roles and allow people to apply for your open roles as well. And the last solution, but certainly not the least, is to make sure that you and your team are building a culture where individuals want to apply and stay after being hired. And we know that this is critical to your continued success as the gap in manufacturing and distribution jobs continues to widen in the U.S. today. We hope this helps. Ryan Kane with Work Excellence. Feel free to engage us in this feed. We'd love to hear what solutions you're providing, and we'd also like to provide you with some feedback. Have a great day.